Once more, happy viewers. We are the next room in the same bank's kitchen. Now we are meeting Chef Eduarda. She'll be taking us on how to do homemade donuts. So we just have to be vigilant, looking at what she's doing to get the best for ourselves. So over to you, Miss Eduarda.
Thank you. Actually, we're about to do homemade donuts.
Okay.
In me here, you have a measuring cup. So for today's program, we'll be doing 200 grams of flour.
Okay. 200 grams of flour. It's already on 3. Take it up. Okay, 200. Yes, 200.
For 200 grams of flour, we'll be using 2 tablespoons baking powder.
Why are we putting in baking powder? Can you tell us?
Because they are both dry ingredients, so you don't mix the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. We group the dry
No, I just want to know the reason why baking powder is inside here. Why are you putting baking powder?
I'm putting baking powder here because it's flour. They both look alike.
Okay. So what is the use of baking powder?
Actually, baking powder is a raising agent.
Okay,
so
that's it. All right.
Now we'll take our butter and we'll put 100 grams of butter.
Okay.
Actually, this is 250 grams of butter, and I've used 50 grams already.
Okay.
So from there, I know I'm putting half of this.
Which is 100.
I don't be hungry for 5 days today. Now where I go see chopo. I want chop kati, I chop water for food, I chop giving okra. Hey, they don't call me for kumbase. Make a con chopo. You want chondole or kati. Nafu banski shimide. If you want chop okra too, and fufu and arrow. Nafu banski shimide. If you want chop a goosey soup, hey, my brother, oh. Nafu banski shimide.
Okay, this is 100 grams.
Yes.
So I'm putting 100 grams of sugar.
So in every 200 grams of flour for donut comes 100 grams of sugar.
Yes.
It means if the flour goes to 400, the sugar comes to 200. Okay.
Okay, then I'll put a pinch of salt.
Okay.
Actually, if you want your donut to have a sugar and salt balance, you can increase the quantity of the salt.
Okay.
Then here I cream. Nextly, we'll have to beat in 2 eggs.
It means every 200 grams of flour goes with 2 eggs.
2 eggs for donuts.
Okay, for donuts.
If you have your whisk, you can whisk, but I'm using this, not that there's no whisk, but so that for those who don't have whisk, they know they can equally beat it with their fork.
With a fork, okay.
I see these white foams on it.
Okay.
I know it has entrapped a lot of air. Then I add to the mixture. I now continue to cream.
So that it can mix uniformly, or there's another reason?
It mixes uniformly as you said, and another thing, air is a raising agent. So as we are doing this, we are entrapping air into the mixture.
Okay, very good.
So I think I'm done creaming. Now I prepare all my dry ingredients. I'll have to add milk to the flour and the baking powder. I'll take 100 grams of milk.
Oh,
100 grams of milk. Milk.
And I'll be using nutmeg for flavoring. You can use any flavor of your choice. And so we take a teaspoon of nutmeg. It's always good to add your water little by little so you don't get mixed up. Because if the water gets more than the mixture, it's going to be too light and you have a lot of difficulties while baking.
Okay.
my belly bite, I want chop. Now which kind of end way I go see chop? Hey, I don't be hungry for 5 days today.
There you go, you have our donuts ready to be baked. Make sure it looks fluffy. Use my whisk to whisk this. I'm doing this so I do it fast and to easily get a uniform texture.
If you want chop a goosey soup, hey, my brother, oh, na for Banski Shimide. You go know, hey, na for Banski Shimide. Next a big cook, they know for cook, they know all kana chop. I never chop.
Let me get one which is cold so
Okay.
get to taste it. Okay.
All right. Thank you very much. Donut from Chef Eduardo. This is